23 minutes past 4. Helen Farmer with you live until 5. Dr. Sergio's in the studio.
This is Pets and Vets on Afternoons with Helen Farmer.
With ProPlan, groundbreaking science, life-changing nutrition.
Sergio, I hope you've had a coffee today because you're a very busy man. We are going to go to the text line next. If you want to get in touch with any questions, stories, photos, the phone lines are open, the text lines, the WhatsApp too, and you'll be in the draw to win a 3-month supply of Purina ProPlan pet food. They'll throw in some treats, some toys in there as well. Grace wants to know, why do some cats refuse to drink water from a bowl?
Like us, we always compare it to people. First of all, for the habit, some cats like to drink from the tap straight away. And cats likes once we have a movement in the water. So, for example, fontaine could be very good. This is good for him. He can also drink from the tap, like some people they're allowed, or for some kind of big bowl. Mm-hmm. Small bowl, they don't like. Most of the cats doesn't like to drink in the plastic bowl. Could be a sign for you guys as well. Please wash well, because I have seen people sometimes they say my cat refused to drink the water from this bowl, and I agree with the cat because
just standards.
Yes, hygiene is extremely important, and remember, cats is very clean animals. If they show you some stuff for you, it's okay. So people can say no, but my bowl is always clean. Okay, could be exactly the opposite. Maybe smelling chlorine, for example, like Clorox or something like that. So I like to use for cats if we have some, I would say, like a glass or
like a ceramic or metal.
Ceramic, yeah. Sorry, guys, my English is. I'm sorry. So ceramic could be the best.
They're just exerting their preference, but it can be as particular as the bowl not being to their liking or not clean enough. Isabella saying Gucci. Love this. Gucci loves drinking water only from a fountain. Of course, yeah. Gucci sounds like
fancy guy.
Yeah, too right. I love your names, but I also really like your pets' names too, so make sure you include those. This has turned into a bit of a cat corner. Gino wants to know, is it okay to cut your cat's nails?
Especially inside. If your cat is not allowed to go outside, if you have this indoor cat, it's better to cut the nails. But remember, don't cut too short. People come too often to my consultation just to say, my cat is leaking too much his paws, and sometimes it's after the grooming. And by the way, the grooming are pressure by the owners to cut very short nails. So don't cut too short. Respect the bleeding and respect the veins as well. Just enough.
It just gave me shivers. This is where scratching posts can be good as well, so if they are indoor cats too. So yeah, it can be done, but proceed with caution and be conservative. Would that be fair?
I like to cut, but I like to filing the nails. I believe filing is even better.
Okay, hope that helps, Gino. Let's talk cat's diet. Bella wants to know, is it okay for cats to eat olives? We have got some fancy cats listening today. Even I haven't kind of matured enough to like olives. Is it safe?
Guys, I don't know. I'll be very honest with you, I don't know. Some questions come to me very creative.
Can a cat sense when another cat is sick? What's your take, Dr. Sergio?
Yes, 100%. They feel exactly like we do for our own species. So it's normal for species to if this is not well. And of course, there's communication between species. So the cats communicate each other so they know when they're sick. Mm-hmm. Yes, this is 100%.
I've just Googled, can cats eat olives?
Yes or no? I don't know.
Not dangerous, safe in very small quantities. So don't go wild at the Spinneys deli counter. Okay, a couple of times a week should be fine for your kitty if they've eaten olives in the past without any negative side effects. Toby's been in touch, staying with food, or not really food. Toby wants to know, any ideas about why my young dog Bob is eating soil? He's fed on kibble. I have started giving some tinned meat after reading that there can be a link with anemia.
Yes, because remember, soil can be full of iron, but also there are some habits as well. So animals can get easily used to eat something else. It's quite common to have some dogs eating stones or something like that because they start doing this when they're in early stage of life. Mm-hmm. But it's better to check it out, deworm properly. If the dog is below 4 months old, I deworm maybe 15 days in this case. But of course, I don't want to give prescription by phone, so it's better to contact your closest vet and see what's going on. But this is related with anemia most of the time.
Okay, really hope that helps. As I said, lots of questions coming in this afternoon. Joining us live in the studio from Intervet, we've got Dr. Sergio. We have been talking a lot of cats there. Up next, we are going to be turning our attention to our doggy friends. We've also had a I'm really interested to get your take on this, Dr. Sergio. Andrew's been in touch and her little dog is grieving the loss of her big dog. So we're going to talk about some emotions when it comes to that. I'd love your name on your messages if you can. I can put you into the draw. Arthritis in a 5-year-old lab's elbow and paw. Any suggestions alongside painkillers? If you've got any questions for Dr. Sergio, you can get in touch on 4001. You've got the ARN Play app and you've got the WhatsApp too. Now, the WhatsApp is where you can send your photos and I absolutely love seeing them. We've had photos of Gucci and of Coco and of course Dave, our bulldog friend. All of you in the draw to win a 3-month supply of Purina Pro Plan pet food. There's some toys in there, some treats, some supplements. You'll also get free vet advice without having to bribe your cat into the cat carrier or force your dog into the car. Just need to get in touch. Make sure you pop your name on. Dr. Sergio was with us. Plus, we've got a prize for you too. Your chance to go along to Global Village. If you can guess the country. Clues coming up after the headlines.
Your ARN News.
With Etihad Airways.